So here's our large art journal, and this is our finished project. And I really like how this turned out. I, as you saw, did many layers of our fresco finish paint, and I added the bubble wrap. I also went back after and added a little bit more of our distress crayon. And you will notice before, and it was in the video I believe, I put in glossy accents on her nose, or not her nose, her eyes, her lips, her fan, and her hair. And I went back after I was done and I added some actual gears in areas where there were gears on the paper. Here, you will have noticed in the video, I added some color. I didn't want just white, so I added, and I lightened it up a little bit of color to our modeling paste. And that is something you can easily do, and it's a cool effect if you want to take on a different color. And I was just trying to convey some bubbles, and I just wanted some depth and dimension. Since we had bubble wrap on the background, I wanted to add some more. So I also put a gear in here because gears are part of this line. So I thought it might look kind of cool because it might look like one giant bubble. So this is the final creation I made with this one, and I really like how it turned out. You will notice probably in most of my art journals, before I even start, and I don't show you how to do this, but I put binding tape in the middle of all my seams. And the main reason I do that is because I sometimes tend to use a lot of product and I don't want it to seep through the seams onto other pages. So I find using binding tape or book tape is awesome, and I know Dina Wakley makes some and it's great. So try and use that if you can. I find it helps. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the process. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to this channel. And I do monthly draws for anybody who does those. So for each time that you enter a comment, or if you've subscribed, you have a chance to be entered into my draw for some awesome products. So check back on my videos, which are released on the 20th of every month, to see if you've won. Thanks for watching, crafters, and have an awesome day.